Hi 10th class students, today we are going to discuss the third problem in the exercise 10.3 and today we have give two worksheets to you. After my class I will give to the worksheets to you. You have to submit that worksheets 27th of this month, Tuesday, 9 for you, especially in sets and first chapter, that is real numbers. In the two chapters I give two worksheets to you. Two worksheets you have to complete it and submit to me after 26th, that means 27th of this month you have to submit to me. I will post in the WhatsApp group. You have to submit to me on 27th morning. Each and everyone write in the classwork and share in the WhatsApp group. Next one, you will show to us 27th of this month. Okay children, now we are going to discuss the problem in this exercise. The third problem is, find the volume of largest right circular cone that can be cut out of a cube whose edge is 7 centimeter. Find the volume of largest right circular cone. It should be cut out from the cube. So first of all, we have to draw a cube. This is the cube, children. From this cube onwards, we have to cut out the largest possible cone. So largest possible cone means the diameter of the cone is equal to edge of the cube. The diameter of the cone equal to edge of the cube. So this is the largest possible cone to cut out, whose edge is 7 centimeter. That means the edge of cube is equal to diameter of the cone. So height of the cone is also equal to edge of the cube. This one is of 7 centimeters. So height of the cone is also 7 centimeters. So what we need to find here, find the volume of largest possible cone cut out from the cube. Okay. Edge of a cube is equal to 7 centimeters. After that is diameter of the cone, D is equal to 7 centimeters, implies radius of cone, R is equal to D by 2, that is 7 by 2 centimeters, children. Radius of the cone is 7 by 2. Height of the cone H is equal to, height of cone is equal to edge of the cube, so that the height is 7 centimeters. Now find the volume of cone. Volume of largest cone. Volume of cone, V is equal, formula you know that, 1 by 3 pi r square h. From this formula onwards we have to get the values. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7, pi value not given here, special value. So that when pi value is not given for us, we need to write the 22 by 7. R value is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. R square you know. So R square means 7 by 2 whole square, that is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. H value is 7. Do cancellations, 7 ones cancels. 2 ones, 2 11s. 11 into 49 by 2. Sorry, 3 2s are 6. So now we do cancellations. 11 9s are 99, 9 remainder, 11 4s are 44, 44 plus 9 53, 553 by 539 by 6, and do calculations once again. 6 ones, 6 how many times cancels? 6 8s are 48. 48 remainder 559, 6 8s are 48. 1 remainder, point 6 1 is 6, 40, 6 4s are 32, 6 5s are 30. 88.15 cubic centimeters. 6 1 is 6, remainder 1 or remainder 4, 40, 6 4s are 32, 6 5 46, 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36. So, approximately 88.16 cubic centimeters. This is the volume of the cone, children, the largest possible cone cut out from the cube onwards. Now, go through the fourth question. A cylindrical tub of radius 5 centimeter and length 9.8 centimeters full of water. A solid in the form of a right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere is immersed into the tub. The radius of hemisphere is 3.5. Height of the cone outside of the hemisphere is 5 centimeter. Find the volume of water left in the tub. This is same as example 12th problem in the page number 259. Same this problem model. So, you have to do this problem in the same manner. Example 12 manner you have to do yourself. Now, we are going to discuss the fifth problem in the exercise. In the adjacent figure, the height of the solid cylinder is 10 centimeter, diameter 7 centimeter. Two conical holes of radius 3 centimeter, height 4 centimeter are cut off as shown in the figure. Find the volume of remaining solid. Okay, children, easy problem only. This is the cylinder, cylindrical. Here, two cones are cut out at the both ends. Here one cone is cut out, this like, this side also another cone is cut out, same cone, this like cone is cut out. Now, find the volume of the remaining solid. Em cheste vastundandi, volume of cylinder minus volume of two identical cones. So, here the dimensions of the cylindrical tub, radius is 5, this radius is 5, R1 is taken as 5 centimeter, and the height of the cylinder is, length of the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter. And the radius is, diameter is 7 centimeter. This diameter is 7 centimeters, children. Two identical cones of radius 3 centimeter, height 4 centimeter. Here R2 is nothing but radius of cone. Radius is how much? 3 centimeter. Height is 4 centimeter. This H2 is 4 centimeters, children. Find the volume of the remaining solid. So, what we have to do? Solve the problem. First of all, we need to find volume of the cylinder. Afterwards, find the volume of two cones. Then, the volume of the remaining solid is volume of cylinder minus volume of two identical cones. Okay, children. Now, we are going to discuss the remaining problem. Let us see this one. So, diameter of solid cylinder, that is diameter of solid cylinder is D is equal 7 centimeters. Implies radius. Solid cylinder R is equal, that is R1 is equal to D by 2, that is 7 by 2 centimeters. Height of the cylinder. Height of cylinder H is equal, H1 is equal 10 centimeter, children. Now, we need to find volume of the cylinder. V1 is equal, formula is pi r square r1 square H1. Keep like that only. We will solve that one afterwards, not now. Now, about cone. Radius R2 is equal 3 centimeters, children. Height, that is taken as H2, 4 centimeter, children. Now, volume of the cone, 2 cones, at a time we have to write 2 cones, 2 into volume of each cone is 1 by 3 pi R2 square H2. This is the volume of 2 cones, V2. Volume of 2 cones, 2 into volume of 1 cone, 2 into volume of 1 cone. Therefore, volume of the remaining solid, remaining cylinder, volume of remaining cylinder equal to V1 minus V2. That means volume of cylinder minus volume of 2 cones. The formula is pi r1 square H1 minus 2 by 3, 2 into 1 by 3 is nothing but 2 by 3 pi r2 square H2. Take pi as common factor, r1 square H1 minus 2 by 3 r2 square H2. Substitute the values of r1, h1, r2 and h2. You get the solution. Okay, children, this is the process. The remaining part of the problem you have to complete. నేను చేయటం లేదండి, మీరే చేయాలి. నేను చేస్తే నాకు వస్తుంది కాబట్టి మీరే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. వర్క్ షీట్స్ అనేవి 2 పెడతాను మీకు. దేంట్లో నుంచి రియల్ నెంబర్స్ నుంచి అండ్ సెట్స్ నుంచి మీకు వర్క్ షీట్స్ పెడతాను వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో. దాన్ని మీరు చేయండి. ఇవాళ నేను మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, బాయ్. అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు 27వ తేదీ మార్నింగ్ అందరూ వచ్చేసి సబ్మిట్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. బాయ్ చిల్డ్రన్.